Lay back. What do you want from me?
Same thing everybody wants.
Free cake?
No.
A large potato sack of toothpicks?
No.
A hug?
No. Revenge.
But I don't want that.
You've already had your shot at that. 6 years ago, when you killed my brother Jeffy.
That was revenge?
It was Jeffy.
When did this happen?
6 years ago, when you killed my brother Jeffy.
But what?
Jeffy! Jeffy, I'm sorry, Jeffy.
Look, I never killed Jeffy. I wouldn't know if I murdered someone.
But you did. I know you. I know exactly who you are.
What?
Your name is CrimeSpree. Most wanted man in Cincinnati.
Now look, I would never come up with such a stupid name. Maybe something close, but that's relevant.
I'm taking you in, CrimeSpree.
I'm not a criminal. I don't even know what crime is.
Don't play butterscotch with me, CrimeSpree.
Hey, I thought we were playing hopscotch.
Enough of this. This ends now.
Hey, can I at least get the police department in on this? I'd rather not be killed by a vigilante.
I may not be the vigilante that Cincinnati wants, but I am the vigilante that Cincinnati needs, and I am the vigilante that's taking you down, CrimeSpree.
You're a sharp one, Jethro Macintosh. A sharp one indeed.
What are you talking about?
People call me CrimeSpree, and I killed your brother Jeffy 6 years ago.
I should have known.
Yes, you should have.
How could I let this one slip through my fingers?
The cat's resting quite comfortably in the bag today, Jethro.
No!
Yeah,
I released that cat.
it was a metaphor.
No!
Yeah,
This is quite a mind-blowing encounter, CrimeSpree.
trust me, it will be.